actually scored a lot of block points. Pero yun na nga, yung nangyari doon sa ating second set is that yung NU talaga sinasabi nila na huwag na natin ito patagalin. Diba? Just, kahit anong line na pa, minsan man dapat pumasok na hindi na masyado ginamit yung mga ibang starters nila. Actually, Jadang didn't even see action ng ating second set, diba?
Yep. Well, you know what's interesting with those numbers? It really does not explain what happened in the second set. But in the second set, you know, NU just played normal, their normal volleyball. Pero ang San Sebastian, although towards the end of that second set, gumanda na yung gelling nila, no, using different players. Whereas the start, very shaky, no? Very shaky. And the reception wasn't working.
Patignan natin kung maunahan na San Sebastian dito ang NU sa ating third set. And that's where you're joining us right now. Noel Zarate, kasama po si Noreen Got, si Bianca Saldua from the arena. Ito po ang Shakey's V-League Season 11 where it all started. Ivy Perez sa kanyang serve. Overcooked serve. Sabi ni Trisha Crisostomo, hindi, tabi-tabi po, tabi-tabi po.
Ay!
Hirap yan, parang dumadaan sa may puno eh. Ganyan si Dindin.
Oh, another, but you know, if you look closely to the rotation of NU, a different rotation na naman. Nasa harap, Ordas, Dadang, and Dindin Santiago.
Right. And this time, si Perez hits it into the net.
Maganda ginagawa ni Coach Dong eh. Parang pinapaisip niya yung kalaban. Even the people who are scouting his team.
Ang gusto ko makita, change setter, pero gamitin si Cookie sa libad.
Oo.
Tignan naman natin kung paano sila magre-respond doon. As Perez sends it backwards to Dindin Santiago, and Dindin scores again. Gulat ni Jaja. Ako na ba? Lugtog siya bigla.
Oh, I don't see the sisters again, magkatabi.
Yan na nga eh. So the two Santiagos, side by side in the front line. Here's Trisha Crisostomo. Quick set to Vanadera. Turned back there by Jaja. Free ball given up by Berbano.
Mad scramble.
Aganon, Perez, Dindin again.
Medyo miss-hit pa yun, no? Nakita natin, nag-side spin, pero she still gets it through.
3-1 ang ating score. Open spiker. Laki, oh. 6-2 open spiker. One of these days, baka maging totoo. Alam mo yung naririnig ko ngayon, as we take our friends from Shakey's, if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Ang national team daw is trying to train Royce Tubino to be an open spiker.
Really?
Pwede, di ba?
Pwede. Very powerful si Royce Tubino.
In fact, ito si Jaja Santiago will be joining the national team on April 10.
As libero naman.
Hindi naman. Pagkit na talaga. Pero she'll join them in Bangkok. Nasa Bangkok ngayon yung national team eh.
Yes.
So kasama siya. In fact, this is her second to the last game. Dito muna sa Shakey's V-League, and she will return during the quarterfinals na. So she will miss their last two assignments.
So that is why they're training Dadang to
Pwede
play
rin.
center. So magkakatapat sila ni
Dindin. Ba silang center spiker dito sa NU na natira? Parang wala, no? Baya, able to get that one down. Looking back at the lineup, wala na. Walang center spiker.
No, the one by the dugout. There. Pwede yan, di ba?
Hindi ko alam. Parang si Asi Sullivan yata yan. Center yan. 5-2 ang ating score. Labiano, good serve.
Oo.
Perez, running attack. Saan nakita naman open spiker na may running?
Oo.
Sasayaw pa yan si Dindin.
Saka saan ka nakakita? Dalawang Santiago sabay mag-a-atake.
Pwede nga, tingnan mo.
Ayun, no?
Ayan, peke.
Lord.
Peke. Hindi pa alaman ng depensa. Sino mapapantayan natin dito? At wala pa daw pito. Sabi ni referee Rodrigo Rosa, alam mo, Dindin, 5 taon ka na naglalaro sa TV. Tayo mo yung pito. Ayan. Balik din pati yung camera natin.
Oo.
Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Nasaan na yun? Yun?
Yan.
Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Yan. Sabit tuloy si Dindin. 6-3. Kung ito sa Sebastian, you cannot give any form of hope, ha?
Oh, yeah. Alam mo yung heritage ng volleyball team,
Oo.
yung pag-champion nila, ilan yun?
Puro never say die. Yung ginagawa na San Sebastian. Ordas, that's a great set there coming from Ivy Perez.
Ordas had to make do with that. Kahit nakita mo, ang baba na ng kamay niya,
Oo.
nakapasok pa rin.
At taas naman kasi lumundag dito si The Supernatural,
Yeah.
who is now on the line.
Good deception.
That's a good one from Crisostomo. Let's make Crisostomo. Villegas seeing her first action. Villegas tries to score. Jaja, pinalik kay Mina. Mea Uy. May Crisostomo. Verbano. Dindin. Ivy. Jaja! Jaja!
Pwede.
Maybe ko na si Pinete. Bang! Walang ganon. 8-3 NU. Inuulit pa ni Dindin. Dapat, ano ba ginawa ko dapat?
Kami ng errors sa second set pero hindi niya pa rin pinipressure masyado ang mga players niya dahil gusto niya kampante sila para mas straight nila yung set at umuwi na maaga kaya wala siyang masyadong sinasabi sa huddle kundi tips lang para sa finishing touches. Back to you, Noel and Noreen.
Gusto niya may araw pa pag uwi na sila.
Kasi tapusin na.
Oo. Trisha Crisostomo, Verbano na ilusot kay Jaja. Ang galing naman nun.
Oh, pero I think there was some sort of collision, no?
Between Perez and itong si Verbano after.
Oh, good.
Take a look at it again. Makikita mo rito yung paa ni Perez. Yun, no, nagkatamaan sila, nagkatinginan pa sila. Pero ganun talaga. Alam mo, sinasabi non-contact sport daw itong volleyball. Sabihin lang natin limited contact. As Perez dumps one over.
Well, you know, that's always the risk if you're a broad jumper, eh. Diba? When you land the net, that's always the risk. You either can injure yourself or your opponent. Kaya they always try to encourage yung vertical, eh.
9-5 ngayon ang ating score. And you up by 4. Jaja. Eroa is back in the game. Verbano. Oh. Pwesto dapat yun ni... tama. Good sign by the... Good sign there by the linesman. Yung tira doon ni Aganon did not clear the antenna.
Yeah.
So, considered outside yun. Mikasa, where are you?
Where are you? Where are you?
Mamaya pa. So, eto po. 9-6 ang ating score. Perez. Crisostomo. They send it now to Labiano. At si General wala sa pwesto.
Oh, but that's a perfect opportunity for San Sebastian. Walang Santiago sister in front.
Right. Because it's the official ball of the Shakey's B-League. Dalawa na lang itong inaalagaan ng NU. Nakalamangan. And Roger Gorayev is still angry about something.
Parang baka sa party niya mamaya. Kulang
Siguro.
ang caterer.
Kulang na lechon. Yun. Labiano. Lusot. Wala si Dindin doon. Isa na lang to, ha?
Oh, don't look now. But you know what? First, NU, ayaw mo mag-relax. No, you shouldn't relax. You were saying earlier nga eh, huwag mo bigyan ng hope ng San Sebastian.
Ako, pupuruhan kayo niyan. Verbano. General. Aganon. And that one is going to go long from Eroa.
Kaya ganon talaga. Parang cool cat eh, no?
Oo.
Magkapatay, okay. Magkapatay. Okay. Wala lang.
Smile pag may time. Crisostomo. Quick set to Corpus. Good idea. Bad result. Walang check ball.
Oh, malayo masyado, no?
Mamaya sabi, ipacheck mo lang. Lion Tiger Mosquito Coil is a proud partner of the Shakey's B-League. Aganon serving. Uy, Crisostomo. Galing sa likod si Verbano, medyo malayo.
Oh, never didn't hit even the middle of that net.
12-8. And you up by 4. Aganon once again.
Short term.
Crisostomo. Labiano. Good anticipation by Dadang. Labiano over Dadang. Yes!
Touch move eh, tawag dyan eh. When gumalaw, Dindin was there, pero gumalaw si Ordas eh, di ba? Once gumalaw ka, kunin mo na.
At saka at the same time, yung flight path ni Dindin papunta doon sa kung saan dapat hindi hawakan ni Dadang yung bola.
Oo.
So baba sa tatlo, kalamangan dito na Lady Bulldogs. Crisostomo. Perez, Santiago. Crisostomo again for Labiano off the block of Dadang. Perez to the open spiker, Dindin Santiago.
That's what Perez was waiting for, no? It's not that really a high set, you can see.
Grabe. Paano mo pipigilan yan? Wala, asa ka lang sa coverage. Sana
Alam
kung
ko
Generation
paano.
Libero,
Nagamit si Jaja sa kabilang side.
Pwede, no? Trade.
Oo.
Trade. That is in from Ivy Perez. Di na hindi ni Roger Goraya pa second technical timeout. Kailangan na pag-usapan ng San Sebastian ito ngayon.
Ano ba sabi ko sa inyo pag malayo yung pumapalo siya eh? Anong gagawin ninyo? Ha? Pag malayo, palit. Anong ginagawa ninyo? Pabagsak na kayo, palang patawid pa lang yung bola eh. Di ba nyo mailagay sa isip nyo yun? Puro kasi mali yung action nyo, kaya magiging mali yung resulta. Ay pagka pumapalo, malayo. Hindi pa natin mag-isip sa...
Bilang tayo.
14-9 po ang ating score. Lyndon Santiago, the open spiker. Malamang siya nangunguna sa puntos dito, no?
Oo. Bakit to say, pero lagi naman.
Hindi, alam mo, nung huling laban nila, she was not the top scorer. I believe it was Aiko Urdas.
Yeah, Urdas, yeah.
She was the top scorer. So, minsan nagbabago-bago rin yan, which is good news for the Lady Bulldogs kasi hindi nila parati dapat na sa atin si Lyndon Santiago as Jonah Corpus is able to score.
Especially because she's graduating.
Oo. May Jaja pa naman dyan. Pero again, kailangan maghanap ng pangkitna na bago eh. Dadang might be a little too small. Okay lang yung maliit ka, pero kasing galing mo si Abby Praca eh. Diba? Dadang able to drop it in. So, yun ba nakakabilib na middle hitters talaga. Abby Praca, Pao Soriano,
Yeah, Pao.
Gwyneth Eulalio. I mean, people who are not really that tall. Pero still get the job done.
Sasa de Panadera.
Sasa de Panadera. Pero grabe naman yung timing yan. Yung talent na talaga timing ni Sasa eh.
Oh.
Aray, hindi na hinintay bumaba yung po.
One
If one
two pa.
Santiago can't get it, the other one will. Ganun lang kasimple yun.
Natawa rin yung teammates niya eh.
16-10 NU. Mamaya tignan ulit natin yan ha. At meron tayong interview. This team, tignan po natin. Ating huling laban. If one Santiago can't get it, the other one will.
Di bali kapatid, ako bahala.
Ayun na nga eh. Ito ngayon, Bianca Saltuwa with Maruba Natikla.
Yes, we're here with Maruba Natikla and you are injured right now. So ano yung nakikita mo sa mga teammates mo na sana maayusan nila? Dahil injured ka, wala ka na magawa. So how do you feel about that?
Siyempre sobrang sad kasi nga hindi kami makapaglaro. Para kami ni Gretch, siguro ang kulang namin is maturity sa loob ng court. Yun talaga yung wala. Kasi experience, when it comes to age or paglalaro sa court, mga matatanda na yun lang siguro sa maturity sa paglalaro.
Alright, could you invite every one of your friends para manood sila ng Shakey's Billy?
Hi guys, I'm inviting you all to watch Shakey's Billy ko. Salamat!
Alright, maraming salamat po. Dapat Maruba Natikla. And we're gonna go back to you, Noel and Noreen.
Maru, nang yakap pa. Hindi ka yata naka-makeup ngayon, Maru. Yan, hindi ka naka-makeup?
Hindi po.
Bakit? Kasi hindi ka maglalaro. Yun. Narinig niyo po yun, mga kaibigan. Ang birthday greeting ni Maruba Natikla para sa sarili niya.
Oh, and speaking of Maru, I got a tweet here. Oh, nagpapasa ng tweet.
Oy.
She's from UST High din.
Of course. Siya naman medyo alam natin. Yung kwento pa kay Maru, kasi nakalimutan ko anong province siya, if it was Bulacan or Batangas, I don't remember kung anong province niya. Lumipat siya UST High. Unang linggo niya sa UST High, kasi malayo sa bahay, wala daw ginawa si Maruba Natikla, hindi umiyak.
Really?
So, gusto nang umuwi, namimiss niya magulang niya. Unang linggo to, wala ginawa kundi umiyak. Kaya ang ginawa ng pamilya, lumipat ng Maynila para samahan siya, di ba? Okay na siya ulit.
What a good story.
Kasi like Maru, I think was 12 years old when she entered high school. Ganyan na siya kagaling. 12 years old pa lang, nasa high school na siya. So, yun na nga, yung sabi ng mga magulang, sige, samahan ka na lang namin dito. And the rest is history. Maruba Natikla is pinakamagaling na malalaro ng UST. At itong nakagawa naman. Diba? Nahanap natin si Cookie sa libad, nandiyan na sa loob.
Oh, you're just saying, no?
Oo. Pero tataka kay Cookie, setter dapat siya, pero siya yung pumalo doon. And if it's one family pizza, it's gotta be shaky. So Cookie sa libad, Mina Aganon, and Dindin Santiago, the three graduating players from NU, all on the floor together.
Oh,
As
yeah.
Dindin gets another service ace.
It's nice to see, no, to give, right to
Dapat
pay
nga,
tribute.
dapat last game ng NU, beat the championship or whatever, kasi pinakahuling game na dapat magbawi itong tatlong ito.
Oh.
Diba? Isipin mo, ilang taon din sila. Well, din siguro shorter kasi nag-residency siya. Pero talking about Cookie Salibad and itong si Mina Aganon, talagang, well, they've been there forever. Mandapat replacing Aganon, dapat and Aganon together eh.
Oo nga.
Oh. 21-11 para dito sa kupunan ng NU.
So some numbers here, unfortunately for NU, just 3 so far, and San Sebastian just 2. Crazy, crazy.
Pero yun, error yun. Si Cookie Salibad. Nangangapapa. Lion Tiger Mosquito Coil is a proud partner of the Sheikh Ace Vili. Good serve there coming from Uy. Salibad, setting up Mandapat. Salazar, Jaja. And good defense there by Jaja. Backset ngayon, Ordaz, lusot sa depensa ni Sasa.
Ay, talaga, no? Sarap panoorin. If NU's playing without pressure, alam mo, yung, ang sarap nila panoorin. You can go to anyone. Ordaz, Mandapat, Aganon.
Kahit si
Santiago.
Salibad can set to herself.
Why not?
Nadaan sila sa experience ni Sasa.
Yeah, you know what I like about Sasa? Si Sasa, unfazed yan eh.
Oo.
Kahit dalawang Santiago, one Santiago, sister in front of her. She has a goal in mind, di ba?
Oh, yes,
focus
that's right.
na focus siya eh. A-angle niya yun.
Nice serve there by Devanadera. Salibad sends it back to Dindin. Illegal back row attack.
Stepped on the line.
Stepped on the line.
Well, can afford, but you don't want to give, again, we said that, you don't want to give any team, for that matter, the momentum.
Right. And Mandapat turned back there by Jonah Corpus. Mandapat, mas malayo tira. Dagabay de Vanadera. Crisostomo. Verbano, masyado maraming kalaban. Mandapat, Salibad, iniwan para kay Jaja. Crisostomo. Bea Uy. Verbano. Ando naman si Dindin sa likod.
Basang-basa.
Mandapat, Kayot Marino.
Go to show, no? At first, you don't succeed, keep trying.
If at first you don't succeed, so much for skydiving. Gail Rose Valdez, babalik ulit. At mukhang tapos na ang araw ni Jaja Santiago. Pwede nang manood ng sine.
Hindi, magbibisyon. Attention ng party ni Coach Rose.
Oo, nga pala, no?
Saan everyone invited?
Everyone must be invited. Ano that violation doon? Wala daw. So it will be a point here for Jonah Corpus.
16-22, still possible.
Hindi natin nabanggit isang libero na si Jareen May Salazar.
I guess, has everyone played, huh?
I think yan ang huling player yata off the bench eh. Now you're only allowed to play 12 anyway.
Yeah.
So another drop ball from Cookie Salibad this time.
Much to the delight of her teammates.
Si Ruby, pasok ulit si Ruby. Serve lang.
Oo nga, no?
Nice serve by Mandapat. Labiano, blocked by Dadang, and it will stay in. Dadang mo, Salibad. Salibad na naman. Talagang lahat ng mga huling moments ni Cookie Salibad as an NU player, making it special for her.
Yeah. But it's nice to see Dadang also parang
Right.
embracing her new
There's
role.
Dadang, and Dadang gives them the match.
She has to embrace her new role. If that is her new role.
As the center spiker para dito sa kupunan ng NU Lady Bulldogs. Straight sets win kontra sa San Sebastian. They climb to 3 wins and no losses. San Sebastian drops to 1 win and 2 losses sa Group B. Tingnan po natin yung ating shake in play. Daming pagpipilian pero yung depensa ni Steven Desiree Danang gets it done for the Lady Bulldogs. Still undefeated after 3 matches dito po sa Shakey's P-League Season 11.